Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to post GIFs on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and you want to post GIF on your Facebook account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook app and here just go to the menu option in the bottom right and then tap on your profile to open your profile page. Now just scroll down and you'll see the option of your posts. You just have to tap on this section what's on your mind to create a new post. Now from here you just have to select this GIF option to select any GIF from here. So you just have to select any GIF. So let's say I'm gonna select this one from here. So once you have selected, just tap on this next option. Then tap on this post option and your GIF will be posted. So in this way, you can easily post GIF on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.